Okay, preheat your oven to 250 degrees. While you're waiting for your oven to preheat, we're gonna mix up some garlic powder and onion powder. You know, Dad, I put it on everything. Just throw about a tablespoon of everything inside your shaker and shake it up. Coat the steak evenly on both sides. Now we're gonna hit it with some black pepper and some sea salt. You can do this to taste. Steaks can take quite a bit of seasoning. Just make sure you coat both sides really well. Once the steak's all seasoned up, throw it on a baking pan with some tin foil. Makes it for easy cleanup. And we're gonna go put it in our oven that's been preheated to 250 degrees. Probably cook it for around 20 to 25 minutes and then check the temperature with your digital thermometer. This one came out after 25 minutes, right at about 122. A little higher than I wanted, but it'll work. Go ahead and preheat a pan on high and add some vegetable oil. When the oil starts to smoke, add your steak. You're gonna wanna flip this pretty regularly, about every 45 seconds, watching the color as the steak cooks. Speed is of the essence here. You don't want this in the pan too long. About 3 minutes would be tops. You're just looking to get that nice crust and color. Remember, the longer you leave it in the pan, the more it's going to actually cook. And you're gonna get more of that gray band of meat around the outside of your perfectly cooked steak. Once you get close to the color you're looking for, go ahead and add in a tablespoon of butter. And then baste the steak with a spoon with the butter. This is gonna help add that last bit of browning, and butter adds great flavor. Once you've got that color that you're looking for, go ahead and pull the steak and let it rest for 10 minutes. This is gonna help redistribute the juices throughout the steak.
Pretty red. You still have that gray band of meat right there. That's almost impossible not to get cooking a steak this way. This is why I prefer sous vide, but this is gonna be a damn good steak. We'll give it a taste test. As you can see, it's still pink, but it's got that gray band. And now this will fluoresce more as it's cut and rests open like this. But it's a decent medium rare steak. This should satisfy any steak lover. Personally, maybe I would pull it almost at 100 and then 100, 110 instead of the pulling it at 120. And I think I'd get a much more rare steak, which is what I like. But this is a damn good steak. For more recipes and videos, visit dadgotthis.com. To be sure you don't miss anything, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the damn bell. I double dog dare you. Come on, you have to do it. It was a double dog dare. I mean, those are the rules.